Hey guys, we're at the tenant's house. They have a problem with the garbage disposal, and it's holding water in the sink. So I'm thinking this is all we need. You stick this in there and you turn it. All the water drains, and then everything's good. Let's go check it out. Okay, so it's stopping up. Okay, go down here. All right, guys. So I disconnected it. Over here, this acts like a fuse. So this will pop out. This little button. It already popped out, and I already pushed it back in. But this thing was humming when I turned it on. So something's jammed up in there and it's causing the water not to flow down the pipe. So you have to come in here and turn this. The InSinkErators have a little hole right here, and you put a little tool in there and you just turn it, and it frees up whatever's blocking the drain. But you got to go up top on these. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go in there with the screwdriver because you got to go up top on these. There's a specialty tool for this, but you really only need a screwdriver. You can just find a little groove down in there and just start turning that thing. Okay, so when you see down in here, you'll see like these little hooks. You can see things already broke up. Just spin it around a few times. Go ahead and plug it back in. Let's see if this thing's gonna work. A lot better. Let's see if it fills up with water now. There's no water buildup anymore. That's a fix. Always check this first. It was humming. I turned it off, disconnected it, pushed the reset button. Came in here with the screwdriver, found those little tabs that stick up. I grabbed them and moved that cylinder around, and it dislodged whatever was covering the drain. I just flushed it out, plugged it back in. Obviously, nothing's wrong with it now. So if you like these videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.